Welcome to the VidStream Pro demo. Just want to show you around the dashboard and all the menu options and give you a quick insight as to what this platform does. So firstly, this is not just a video hosting platform. It allows you to build your own courses, build landing pages, and of course build your own channels. So the first thing you'll do in VidStream Pro is upload your videos. Obviously you can do this via here. You can also import your videos there. You can record videos if you like, just through this button over here. And also you can do it via this menu here. Once you've done that, get straight into videos and you will see your videos show up. You can also upload your videos from Amazon S3, Google Drive, OneDrive, pretty much any kind of cloud storage. If you click any video, you're going to go straight into the video options screen where you'll see two menus. The first one's going to allow you to go and share your iframe or direct link to the video, as you can see here. And in this menu, you can set all your appearance, visibility, privacy options, thumbnails, any marketing options that you may have paid with the marketing pack. Now, these options are really straightforward. I'm not going to show you all of these, but let's take a look at one of those. Calls to action. This is where you can insert an overlay on the video itself and add a text object, as you can see here. Also, you can change that to an image. You can also add your own HTML, so if you've got your own buttons, your own buy links from shopping carts, you can do that right here. I'm going to play around with the text side. So you can see a text appears here. You can add a button straight there. That's your call to action. You can also put your links in there. You can change the button colors, text colors. And you can also set that to go at a specific time. Okay, I'm now going to go to the video listings menu, show you a little bit more in there, which I didn't show you before. Here you have a hamburger menu with a load more options for transcoding. You can share your videos through here. You can download. You can delete your videos. I'm actually going to go to the landing page option. This is a landing page feature. Now, we built this specifically for speed. The idea is that you can throw up landing pages really fast, and if you have an offer that's going or expiring, or if you're an affiliate marketer want to promote something, normally you would need to build the page in a page builder, and most of you know how long that takes. So let me show you around. Firstly, you can change logo right here, and it will change this logo right here to your own brand. Secondly, you can add in your navbar items. Let's go and put one in. Let's put support. And if I click preview, you can see there's a link right here. That's one of your menus. And again, you can add more menu entries as you wish. Let's go and put a heading in. And I've got one which I prepared earlier. And let's do something with this. So obviously right now it's not centered, it's not big. So we're going to mess around with this. Let's make that a lot bigger. Liven it up a little bit, make it a bit more into a heading. Let's make it bold. Let's go and highlight something. Okay, let's make something reverse. Make that text white. So you can see you can create a pretty nice heading very quickly. Okay, let's add a subheading. Let's make that a bit bigger. Let's center it. So really simple stuff. Again, you can add text underneath this option here if you want to. You can also enable and disable comments and related videos just below here. By clicking this tab, I wouldn't have those on a sales landing page, but I might want to choose that on a general discussion landing page. So underneath here, you have a subheading which you can add right underneath the video. I'm not going to do that. It's the same thing as what we've just seen a second ago. Let's show you a button. Let's put a button in. So get this deal. Okay, let's stick a link in. Well, it's orange already, so I'll keep that orange. Keep it at 36, centered. So preview. I also have the option to add metadata, which is your page titles and descriptions for your SEO. You can also mess around here if you want to go and add a background image or a color. So a quick look here. There you go, I can change that. And all you need to do afterwards is publish. So in less than a minute, I can create a very quick landing page offer. And that link here is what you would share for your subscribers. And by the time this goes live, you will be able to add in your own HTML buttons and customize the page even further. So let's take a look around more functions of VidStream Pro. Now, as you can see underneath here, we have collections, and these are just playlists that you can string together. So you can actually, as well as sharing a video, you can share a playlist of videos. And I can create a playlist right here. And it's very simple to do. Just call it whatever you like. So I'll just call it a test. Select which videos you want in the playlist from the ones you've uploaded or created, and you can share the whole playlist as you did before using the iframe here, or direct link if you like. There's an option for that. Underneath here we have this thing called stream. This is a pseudo streaming option where you can create what will look like to the user a live stream video. It's not actually a live stream video, it will appear live. You can record videos here for your lives as well. You can do screen recording with your cameras or your desktop if you like. And right under here we have all sorts of tools to help you create thumbnails. And here you can search through millions of royalty-free images. So let's do that and see what happens. You just select an image to customize, and you'll end up in the video thumbnail creator. And you've got loads of tools available for you. You can create block objects, like I'm just going to do here. You can add in your own text, as I'm going to do here. I'm going to go and change that block to a filled block. I'm going to take the stroke out. I'm going to go and move that text. I can double click and edit that as I want, so I can twist it and position it as I want to, the usual way, usual size options that you'll get. You've got loads of other options to play with. You can grayscale the image if you want to. You can stick a tint in, so let's do that. Oh, that's horrible. You can change the color of the tint if that's what you want, just to help you create a nice looking thumbnail. Okay, let's check out more options under tools. You can see we also have something called text to speech, which is going to allow you to convert all your text into voice, and we have a whole collection of voices that it will translate the text to. And we have a screen to GIF option, which is going to allow you to make animated GIF thumbnails. On the team side, if you've selected the teams options, in other words, extra team members within your plan, this is where you manage your teams, create members. Right under here is another option which is super sexy. It's called courses. You can also access your landing pages through this menu too. But let's check out courses. Now you can create a course by adding courses. And this is going to allow you to create a playlist for the course itself. So just select your videos. So pick whatever videos you like for the course. I'm not going to do that because I actually created one, so I'm going to show you around that one. And simply you just put a course name. Once you've done that, you will have a menu item like this, which is going to allow you to customize the course. And very similar to what we did with the page builder, you can change the logos, you can add navbar items, so you can personalize this exactly as you'd expect. And you'll also be able to add your own headings, just as before, so there's nothing new here. And you can add text underneath the video, if that's what you want. You can also add buttons underneath, by the way. If you just scroll down a little bit here, you should be able to go and see one here. Subscribe to the course. By the way, it's not a subscription button. This is just a button that we've created, so it might be confusing. So it's whatever button you like. Just call it button. Don't really want that centered there. I might want it centered left, so the button will be here. Right, certainly not that big, so let's make it smaller. Underneath there, you'll see all the items we saw before, which is metadata and page layouts, which is going to allow you to go and change the backgrounds, and you can also set your password for this particular course. Once you've finished, you can publish this, and you will have a course link below. Okay, let me show you around some more stuff. So we also have analytics, as you would expect, with a full-featured video hosting platform, where you can go and select the period of time, and that's going to start showing you all your analytics for the individual videos. We have engagement as well, and how much bandwidth you're using. So this gives you a nice overview of pretty much everything you need. Most important thing here, really, you'll be looking at your watch time and the average watch time per video, see where people are dropping off. We have leads, so when you purchase the marketing pack, you can select your integrations right here. This enables all your in-video opt-ins. And underneath here, we have something called multilingual videos, which is also English videos. You can create your transcription files right here for your subtitles. And here's where you'd manage your channels and also your agency resellers. Let's take a look at one of those. Very simple to do, by the way. If you've bought the agency reseller pack, you can simply add a client straight here. Just enter their name and email, and they'll be sent access to their plan. So it's a stupidly simple platform to use with crazy big functionality and lots of features that are not available with any other product. So as you can see, this product has a lot more going for it than your average video host. And don't forget, we are a world-class video hosting platform with 120 POP servers, which means your video will play absolutely buffer-free all around the world. Hope you enjoyed the demo. Thanks for watching.